Okay, I finally learned from the Facebook how to cold start a Leyland 3044. First you go up to the dash, pull the throttle all the way down. I get the camera back here. Okay, you bring the throttle all the way down, put it in neutral, and on mine you got to have it clear over here or the safety switch doesn't work. Push in the fuel on. This is going to be the turn to start it, but then before we do that, we go over to the fuel pump. Now there's this lever here, which is the on and off that fuel thing. This is the cold start button. Snapped in. It only snaps in when the fuel rod is in and this is all set. Now it's in neutral and we start it. Now we'll watch the exhaust. Okay, now we shut it off, we pull off the fuel, shut her off, and this thing pops out once it gets started.